Are you looking for a Flybridge cruiser that's easy to manage for 2 people but comfortably sleep 5 people or more? This is a 2011 Riviera 43 open Flybridge that's currently sitting in Mackay in North Queensland, and I'm super excited to show you through it. Now, although this is a 2011 model, you really wouldn't know it sitting here at the helm alone. It's got an updated dash panel with 2 Raymarine hybrid touchscreens. You've got updated C-Zone to the C5 up here and downstairs. You've got a Raymarine autopilot and an updated joystick as well. So it's a great package to really modernise the feel of this 43 Flybridge. All Riviera 43 Flybridges came with this lounge standard, but not all of them had this custom table. A great spot for your morning coffee and breakfast, or a beer on sundowners. You know where you'll find me. Now out in the cockpit, you've got this half-length awning with an extendable section that runs out to the stainless poles over the back, and that covers the transom barbecue in the centre with an electric cooktop and a sink with hot cold water. Inside the boat, we have the galley on the forward port corner with drawer fridges and freezers, a dishwasher, microwave oven, and then stepping up here into the saloon, we've got a central and aft lounge area with a drop-down table on the starboard side and a 2-seater lounge on the port side that makes it very inclusive. Making our way downstairs, this is where this model really packs a punch for its size. 2 cabins, 2 bathrooms, and a comfortable 5 berths. Plenty for another couple or the kids that come along as well. Great feature of the Riviera 43 is the cockpit floor raising up via a switch in the cockpit, giving you excellent access around both of the Volvo Penta IPS 600s. Alright, we've got the boat going, we've untied the ropes and we're heading out the Mackay Harbour now. We're going to get around the heads here, get up on the plane and see what this boat can do. Well guys, that's a wrap for us up here in Mackay on this 2011 Riviera 43 Open Flybridge, a true classic in the range of Riviera models. We've been building this boat since 2011 right through to 2024, one of our longest standing models for good reason, as you can see. If you would like more information or to organise an inspection up here in Mackay, please contact myself, Sam Phillips from Raymarine Jones. My contact details will be down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.